Hello, everyone. This is Matt Ludt. I'm the senior attorney and owner of Atticus Family Law. I'm here today with Alexandra Reynolds, who's the lead attorney for the firm's Duluth, Minnesota office. Welcome, Alexandra.
Hi, Matt. Hello, everybody.
Yesterday, Minnesota Governor Walz issued a stay-at-home order for all of the residents of Minnesota. Alexandra, what are the implications to our former clients, our current clients, or even future clients regarding the governor's order?
Well, I think that it's important to you talk about what a stay-at-home order is. Essentially, what a stay-at-home order does is it directs Minnesotans to limit their movements outside of the home beyond that which is essential. And one of the exceptions to limiting movement outside of the home is the transportation of children pursuant to an existing parenting time schedule. So I think that part in particular is of most concern to many of our former clients.
Okay. Before we dig into the governor's order, what experience do you have, Alexandra, regarding stay at home orders?
Well, this particular event is quite unprecedented. However, I do practice law solely in Minnesota, but I do have clients in other states. And many of those states have already been subject to a stay-at-home order or something very similar, like a shelter-in-place order. And I've received a few calls regarding that as it relates to parenting time, specifically whether or not you have to provide the child for parenting time, or if another parent is within their rights to withhold parenting time. So for a couple of weeks now, I've been researching this issue and advising on it as well.
So you've already been thinking about this.
Yes.
All right. So, what do you make of the exception to the governor's stay at home order regarding um, existing parenting time schedules?
Well, as far as the existing parenting time schedules, I take that to mean court orders. So if pursuant to a divorce or some sort of a custody agreement, whether the parties agreed or whether the court ordered it, it became a court order. I believe that's what they're talking about when they reference existing parenting time schedules.
All right. So, outside of that, you're going to have people that have either kind of long-standing schedules that aren't court ordered, or maybe it's newly separated divorced or married people that might be on their way to divorce, or recent breakups, or even just people that never had a in order, but they don't have a consistent schedule. In this gray areas like this, what do we have for guidance for them?
Um, what we have for guidance in that is sort of the overarching principle in Minnesota law as it relates to parenting time and custody, and that is the best interest of the child. The parties should do whatever they can to do in the best interest of the child. Certainly, we recommend that you follow the court orders, but for people who might have a temporary agreement and they don't have something like a court order, you should follow through with whatever is in the best interest of the child. In addition to that, the Association of Family and Conciliation Courts has some guiding principles for parents and practitioners to follow in some of these gray areas. Some of the more important ones would be compliant, and I think I've covered that. In that you should try as hard as you can to follow that court order. It's important, and be transparent with the other parent. If one parent is asking the other parent what measures they're taking to keep the children safe, to keep the home, sterile or well cleaned or well sanitized, don't hide the ball. Let them know exactly what you're doing, whether it be sanitizing doorknobs and remote controls and telephones, or that you have everybody wash their hands prior to entering the home. Let them know so you can put their mind at ease. Be understanding and understand that it's very likely that the other parent is taking many of the measures that you're taking in your own home, because first, they don't want to get sick, and certainly they don't want to expose their children to this virus either. Um, creative is another one of the principles, and that can sort of dovetail into parenting time. If for some reason somebody's work schedule would not allow them to have parenting time, or they have to move parenting time, be understanding, be creative in how you're going to get through this, and definitely try to do it with as little animosity as possible, because ultimately the best interest of the child is the most important, and anything that you can do to get along and to not add stress to yourself and the child will always be in the best interest of the child.
That's great. If one of our existing clients has an issue that comes up, or maybe it's one of our former clients, or even someone that is not yet a client but needs help, what's your suggestion to these people?
My suggestion is to call the firm and to get answers. If you have a very quick question, something that is something that we might have covered in a previous video, a topic that we covered in a previous video, or if you need further involvement by an attorney to perhaps contact the opposing party or opposing counsel, or to engage in mediation, we're certainly here for you. I'll be happy if you retain the firm, and we're here to help you.
Great. In as much as you're based in Duluth, I can tell all those watching that your advice to reach out to us to see what we can do to help as either existing clients, former clients, or members of the community that need help applies to just as not only Duluth, but also the Twin Cities and Western Wisconsin. Alexandra, thanks for your time today.
Thanks, Matt.
Again, this is Matt Ludt with Atticus Family Law. Thanks for watching, and please do not hesitate to contact us. We are here to help. Thank you. Have a good day.